In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align and position objects in Canva effectively. Whether you're creating presentations, social media graphics, or a personal project, knowing how to properly adjust your images can really elevate your design. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Canva. Once you have Canva open, head over to the Uploads section. This is where you can find your already uploaded images or upload new ones. If you're not sure how to upload an image, simply click on the Uploads tab and you'll see an option to add images from your device. After your image is in the Uploads section, click on the image you want to work with. This will automatically add your chosen image to your Canva workspace, ready to adjust and align as needed. Now, to align your image within your design, Canva provides a specific tool for this, which can be really helpful. You'll want to go to the Position option, which is usually located on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Clicking this will open a menu under Arrange, where you'll see various alignment options like Align to Page. Here, you have options like top, left, middle, center, bottom, and right. Choosing one of these will position your image relative to the canvas based on the option you pick. Decide where you want your image and simply click on the position that best suits your design needs. As you move your image around on the canvas, you'll notice a helpful red line appearing. This is Canva's guide to help you identify when your image is perfectly centered on the page, making your design look neat and professional. If you want to make manual adjustments to the size of your image without moving it out of alignment, here's a little tip. Press and hold the Alt key. While holding it, you can click and drag to resize your image, ensuring it stays perfectly centered. If you find yourself needing to compare the size of your images to keep them uniform, pressing the Alt key once more will activate a feature where numbers appear on your images. These numbers indicate the size, so you can easily check if your images are the same size, avoiding any inconsistency in your design. And there you have it, a simple way to align and position your images in Canva, ensuring your designs look polished and professional. I hope you found this guide helpful. Mastering these tools will make your design work in Canva more efficient and enjoyable. If you have any questions or need further tips, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out for help. Thanks for watching and happy designing.